Come on then. Come on. Come on. Come on, call them. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, keep calling. Come on. Come on. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. That's it. Good girl. Good one. Nice one, mate. Just training him up. Get the birds are flying, young birds flying up. Flying round, just starting to fly round now. Just encouraging them to come back down again with the droppers. And this young lad's sort of learning the trade, ain't you, mate?
Yes.
Yeah. He's I've shown him bit by bit what to do, feeding and everything. Trying to bring the next generation on. Come on. Come on then. Throw a bit of corn into the get that to drop a cock. Don't I don't want to mean. I just want to get that drop of cock off the come down. That's it. He's too interested in the hens boxed up at the moment. Come on then.
Come on then.
Right. Don't scare them, mate. Here's the other one. A couple of the young ones have been up and flying round, and he managed to get them back down again with the droppers.
Okay.
The thing is to, when they start going flying around at this time, is to play the droppers, like keep moving them about so that the young birds can see them to drop down.
I've seen a swallow.
Oh. Huh?
I've seen a swallow. Come on then. Come on then.
Come on then.
Come on then.
Come on.
With the hand. There we go.
Come on then. Go on then.
Bring them in.
Just start corn into the shed. Go on. Go on then. Go on then.
Hi, Jaden.
Go on then. That's it. Just throw it. Keep throwing it. Keep throwing it. Keep throwing it. Now shut the door when they all go in. Go on then. Go on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. That's it. Steady. Steady. That's it. Well done, lads. Well done, lads.